Hey guys, it's me, Polynage again. I know I haven't been recording like the past few days like I usually have. But yeah, I'm here with my sister again, and I'm just going to go to my friend from school and say hi, because I'm weird like that. Robbie! 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 I'm recording. Can you say hi to Abby for me? I don't know. I just came into this random. Well, anyway, this is my friend from school, and still Buddy Her. She's amazing. What? Whatever. But it's one of my friends. Bonnie, give me a good topic to do. Bethany. What is this music? Oh well, it's soothing. I'm just gonna close my eyes and wake up like that. Guys, I has new fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. What? Well, give me yours then. We do a musical with all these fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. How did AJ? Please, AJHQ, let me say my name. Please. I wish I could say my name in Ammo Jam. celebration dance. By the way, guys, if you're wondering why I have this just leopard with no clothing on, it's because I was role playing Warrior Cats earlier today. Guys, I traded my one of those top hats earlier today for a worn, but I got it there. I don't know, I just randomly typed my again. By the way, guys, put down in the comment section below if you want me to do a meal time. Please gift me. I'm so lonely and I'm desperate to do a meal time. I'm just gonna be giving away rares, so today I'm gonna be giving away this rare tie-dye shirt and maybe another one. I don't know. I'm gonna change this back to blue. Now, man, look. I'm feeling a squirm. Robbie, you probably don't know what squirm is, but okay. I don't know if that person just randomly saying okay to me, or okay to Game of Squirm, or look, it's a Squirm look. Well, at least people call me the female Squirm because I wear a lot of blue, and just my friends call me female Squirm. Bonnie, should I change my name to something related to Squirm since okay. Comment down in the comment section below if you want me to change my animal name. No, it's Snowy. Storm. How about it make Skepper? Guys, I ship Wisteria, Moon, and Squirm together. I'm just trying to think of random ship names for Animal Jam YouTubers. Hey guys, I have nothing to do. Beautiful music. have friends. I like these 426 buddies. Drinks chocolate milk. Really? I'm staying awake until midnight. Bum bum ba bum bum ba 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 ba. Wait, what did I say? Well, guys, I may end this video right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye, fam.